So we're in the back door. This is driver's side door, the right hand side door. We're in the UK. Back door. When I took the panel off, this was straight, covered with a bit of foam. I've cut the foam insert out. Well, I cut that out originally when I first took the panel out, see what I was dealing with, then covered it back over with a bit of foam. But I've took it out now. 13cm speaker. I've just bent them in. Just a bit of pressure on my thumb to bend them in, because with these speakers it's catching the lip and they're just slightly you look, a little bit of a gap. But the best I can make it, and it will fit perfectly inside, sort of thing. So what I need to do, some draft excluder tape or something, just overhanging, so as it just seals the air gap a little bit. And 13cm speakers. Now the next thing I want to make sure is that a window can open and close. Popped on the handle, window is now open. Didn't catch it at all, still nice and firm. So I'm comfortable to say that these just need to drill a quick hole and then put the plates in to hold the screws in, and we're done. Obviously we need to run a wire. Now on here, need to bring a wire to there. And I was hopeful that the wire supplied would be sufficient, but if I'm being honest, I need to shut the window again. Shut the window so as I can get my hand up there easier. But the wire doesn't have much slack, so I'll need to put some new ends on it and get a bit of wire out my shed.